What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to get full page width lines in Microsoft Word without having to insert shapes. So there's actually keyboard shortcuts on how to do this, or like not really a keyboard shortcut, but it's a quick trick in Word and it helps. So these are the three types of lines you can get. You can get a heavy dotted line, a regular single line, or a double line, I guess. So how to do this, I'm going to remove all of these and show you how to get these. Let's get rid of this and that, and then this. Okay, so to get the heavy dotted line, you have to do 3 asterisks and then hit enter, and Word will automatically do that. So how to get the single line, all you have to do is 3 dashes and then hit enter, and Word will automatically transform it into that. And then to get the double strike line, you do 3 equals and then hit enter again, and that's how you get that one. And what's cool is like you can drag these along the page, and they function as if like you can use them as separators between different sections in your document and things like that. So that's a cool way how to do it. If you want to insert like your own custom line, or just you want to insert a shape, you can also do it this way. So you click the insert tab, then you go to shapes, and there's lines right here. It's the first one, so you can just do that and then create your own custom line. It's not going to be the exact width, but you can adjust it yourself and do it this way. So there's height and width up here, a bunch of tools you can use to make it the way you want. This is just much quicker, and it makes it the exact width of your columns and everything, or sorry, your what are the things on margins on the size of your page, on the side of your page. So yeah, that's 2 ways of how to create lines in Word. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.